Hello, and how can we support you today?
There's a ring on your phone, it's from tech support, saying your computer's got bugs to report. But hold on a sec, is this all legit? Or a guy named Raj trying to steal your kit? Don't fall for it, don't fall for it. So don't be fooled by the scammy schemes. Call Logical Admin, they're the real IT team. When your screen goes dark and you're filled with fear, don't call the guy with the fake engineer. They'll say, hello sir, please send me some cash. I'll fix your PC with just one flash. But watch out friend, it's all a trick. Their support is fake and they're gone real quick. So don't be fooled by the scammy schemes. Call Logical Admin, they're the real IT team. No phishing games, no fake distress, just honest support, no extra mess. When things go wrong, don't call just anyone. Logical Admin's got the job well done, with trained pros and a team that's true. No accents, just helping you. So don't be fooled by the scammy schemes. Call Logical Admin, they're the real IT team. When the scammers call, you know the line. Just hang up quick, call Logical Admin anytime.